we have to integrate 1 plus 3x minus x square to the power of 0.5 dx. Of course, it's of one of these forms. It doesn't look like it. We have to convert it. How do we do that? Yes, with the help of completing the square method. So for that, we need to consider the expression. And the next step is, since we have minus of x square, we're going to take minus common, and we have x square plus 3x plus a 0. Right? I can do that. Sorry, this is minus, by the way. Minus of minus is plus, right? Okay, so this is where we have to be careful. Whenever we take negative, whenever negative comes, be careful. Next, x square minus 2 into a into b. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and I'll get back the original expression. So it's very important for us to understand how 2ab comes into picture. And after that, it's quite simple. So in place of 0, I'm going to write 3 by 2 the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square. And bit of simplification. So we have this to be 1 minus. This is x minus 3 by 2 the whole square. And over here, this would be minus 9 by 4, closing the brackets. So if I open, this will become positive. LCM is 4 and 13 by 4. So square root of 13 square by 2 the whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 the whole square. So this is of what form? Yes, it's of the form a square minus x square dx. Right? Actually, I should write what is that we are integrating. Okay, so we'll end up with integrating root of 13 by 2 the whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 the whole square to the power of half dx. And then we have this particular thing. Sorry, the formula. Actually, we're writing the formula, right? So this is equal to, everywhere it's the same format, x by 2, whatever the expression is. You just have to copy that. Along with that, a square by 2. And this is this sine inverse of x by a, right? So here we'll have a plus and then a constant. And here our a turns out to be root of 13 by 2 and x turns out to be x minus 3 by 2. So this is our entire formula and substitution. And finally, we have I is equal to x by 2. Then we have square root of, we'll end with the initial expression, that would be 1 plus 3x minus x square. And then we have plus a square, so 13 by 4 into half. So I can do the same over here. That is convenient. And where is that? Okay, a square and sine inverse of x by x by a. A is where root of 13 by 2. And finally, a bit of simplification, and we are almost there. So the first expression will reduce to 2x minus 3 by 4 square root of 1 plus 3x minus x square. And this is 13 by 8 sine inverse of, this is 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3 by 2, and this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, and we have divided by root of 30, and finally the constant. Okay guys, So we can see completing the square is so important for us to understand